Sweet daisy chain around your neck, through your hair in the sun. Sweet glowing skin, kiss the grass, golden hair, fill your lungs.
I already called that rock.
Why are we? Oh, why are we kings, not queens?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Be queen of that rock. So you could be king of that rock.
Okay.
This is a strenuous and rocky trail.
Is it?
What it says.
Oh, great.
Extreme caution.
Caution for rocks.
Especially in hot or cold weather.
Watch out for rocks.
Like only with proper footwear. And take water with you.
We have water. We're good.
The Cedar Falls Overlook Boardwalk is an easier alternative to Cedar Falls. Do not litter. Take nothing but pictures and leave nothing but footprints. Do not shortcut the switchbacks.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's get
I read all my
started.
directions. Not out loud.
Probably like, oh, this is mildly safe. Let's make this a trail. For Briar can fall down and break her neck. Oh. Are you taking a video? Smile.
Are you taking a video too?
Mhm.
Ronnie, wait up.
We made it! I don't think we're the fittest.
No, not really. I want to fit in that hole over there.
I don't know about you, but I'm getting closer to the water. I don't know what that was.
This is probably a bad thing to pick up.
I thought it was a headband.
There. Come on. You go down there. Climb down there. Climb down it like a slide. Oh, look at Ranger, like a slide. You'll get warm as soon as you get out. They're slippery. Ouch. Every time I go in there.
Okay, I'll do it. Here.
Oh, geez. I'm not that, I don't know. Plus all those little kids were like stressing me out. You were one brave person. I told you.
Oh my God.
I've got all of that on video. So much for that makeup, right?
I didn't get my face wet.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Are you okay? I'm great. Please tell me you got that too.
I'm good. Are you gonna go for it now? This isn't fair. I knew I was gonna do it too. I felt it.
Feed myself.
Oh, this is great. I'm gonna have a bruise in my butt. I can't even see out of my glasses. I had stuff in my butt. Your flower's still in your hair.
It's all good.
I feel like I need a picture up there. I feel like it's a long way, so
Let's get up there.
I was gonna take a Let's not fall again.
Hey! Kaylee! Back down.
Yeah, we totally do.
That one place, whatever it's called. Blue something.